YON World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion. Hey, it's like 6 in the morning right now. Just woke up, man. Like, straight up came from another reality to tell y'all this. Now, everything you want already exists on another dimension. Now, the title of this video is gonna be called How to Be a Powerful Manifestor Without Using a Vision Board, right? So, what I just learned was that everything you want already exists on another dimension. The goal is to match the vibration. That is the only thing. Like, if you can understand what I just said, so much in life will become clear to you. Everything you want already exists. Now, you can even test this shit. You can even test it right now. Right now. Now, picture yourself as a doctor. You can, for a glimpse, for a flash, for a brief moment, you can see it. Picture yourself as a real estate mogul owning over 6,000 properties. You can see it for a moment. You can see yourself walking in the office building. You can see the portfolio. You can see the management. You can see the team. For a glimpse, for a brief moment. Picture yourself as a platinum selling recording artist performing in front of 40,000 people live on stage, like, and everybody singing back the song you just wrote. Like, you could feel like the therapeutic nature. Like, you could feel this shit, bro. You can feel any reality you can think about, anything you see yourself you could do. And it's a process because everything you want exists on a dimension already. It's already a possibility. It's like an infinite number of fucking choices, and like, it's so deep because life is like going into a room full of doors, bro. It's like going into this big ass room full of doors, but on the outside of every door, it's like this little preview. It's like a little video preview of what the path gonna be, and you literally have a choice. Like, you have a choice. You know, it's like a conscious thought before you walk down this path. Like, you can see, like, oh, that's how this gonna play out. Like, you literally have a choice. Like, if you wanted to be this big online internet entrepreneur, marketer, like, you can see yourself doing that. You can see yourself bringing in the advertising revenue. You can see yourself, you know what I'm saying, getting millions and millions of views, like, promoting different products. Like, you can see yourself doing that. It's all about matching that vibration, you know, because once you send out a thought, it's like an email. It's like an email to the universe. You know what I'm saying? Whatever reality you choose, like, you be like, I want this to happen, and you can see it. You see that glimpse, and then that it literally shoot out in that second. It shoot out in the universe in that second because you can see yourself doing it. You can, in the instant you can see yourself doing it, is the instant you know that reality has become an option to you. Now all you have to do is prepare yourself after that. That's all you have to do. You know what I'm saying? You're not supposed to fear it. You're not supposed to be in fear to the point where you think it can't happen to you, or you're not supposed to, not prepare for it to where the point you think it ain't gonna never happen. You know what I'm saying? You're supposed to be in this middle ground, and you gotta prepare yourself. You gotta prepare yourself. So after you be like, I want this to happen, you gotta do all of the little stuff. You know what I'm saying? You say, I want to be an online entrepreneur. You have to set up everything you need in order to receive. You know what I'm saying? You got to have your bank account set up. You got to have all your profiles set up. You got to have your ad campaign set up. You know what I'm saying? You got to do all of this stuff. All of this stuff. And it happens, bro. It happens. You know what I'm saying? And that's with everything. Like, you want to, whatever you want to be. If that's with real estate, if that's a doctor, if that's, whatever you can see yourself doing. If it's a hairstylist, whatever you want to be, you have to begin to prepare yourself for that lifestyle, because you got to meet where the frequency at. That's where you going to meet at. You know what I'm saying? You got to raise your frequency. If what you want is up here and you down here, you got to come up here, to experience that fully. And in order to come up there, you got to prepare yourself every day as if you already know. You know what the knowing. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's deep. It's deep, y'all. I just want y'all to understand this. Like I said, You know what I'm saying? It's a message from the ether. Yo, I just came out of a dream state. It's 6 in the morning. I just had to hop on camera and tell y'all this. Like, everything you want, this message is for somebody. You know what I'm saying? Somebody needed to hear this. You know, but everything you want already exists. All you have to do is match the vibration. You match the vibration by sending out the thought. You already can see it. You already see yourself. If you think your path is winning the lottery, make a million, like, you can literally see yourself winning that it's like a brief glimpse, a window, an opportunity in your mind that allows you to see this, whatever you want to create. You know what I'm saying? You can literally, that's why it's not biased. It's positive and it's negative. Like, you can see yourself as a fucking McDonald's worker for the rest of your life. Like, you can literally see this shit. And if you was to stop and like ponder on that thought and prepare yourself for that lifestyle, you would create it. So this power works both in a positive form and in a negative form. So we have to understand. We gotta really understand like what we playing with. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no little kiddie stuff. What we talking about when we talking about how to become a powerful manifestor? You know, you gotta understand that everything, every experience, every life experience, it already exists on another dimension. It already exists on another dimension. You know, your best possible outcomes and your worst possible outcomes, they all exist on another dimension. What thought are you gonna send out? Which reality do you want to connect with? Which reality do you want to vibrate with? That's what I want to get y'all to understand. Like, this shit is real simple and it's real powerful. If you understand this, man, everything you want already exists. You already did it. You already doing it on another reality. What you really gotta do is you gotta go into your mind. You gotta go into that dream state. Go interview that person. Go interview yourself. You know what I'm saying? And that's another video. Go interview your future self, man. And you could do it. Like, you could, whatever reality you want to create, go interview that person within. Interview that person within. Ask them what will it take? Ask them what does it take to manifest this reality. They gonna tell you what you gotta do. They gonna tell you exactly the steps you gotta take. It's gonna be a faint message, but whatever you pick up, act on that. You don't sit, ponder, think, don't tell nobody, should I do? No, act on it. You know what I'm saying? Don't ask for help, question, act. If you gotta learn something, go learn it. You gotta do something, go do it. You gotta set up something, set that shit up. You know what I'm saying? Stop waiting. You know what I'm saying? Because everything you want already exists. It's waiting on you. It's waiting on you to prepare yourself for real. That's all it's waiting on. And you have to prepare yourself. Prepare. You know, whatever you want, whatever you ask for, it didn't already happen. It's already happened. It was okay. Are you gonna level up to come see this shit? Like, you ask for it. You in the building. It's like you in the building. You know what you want is on level 11, and you on level 1. Like, when you gonna hop in the elevator and come up here and see this shit? Because it's already set up. When is you gonna prepare yourself? You know, to walk up the stairs and to come see this? Because it's already here. So prepare yourself, man. You know, this is how to become a powerful manifestor without using a vision board. You know, it's deep, but it's very simple. All you gotta do is send out that thought, you know what I'm saying? Picture whatever reality you want. Picture yourself. You know, it can happen. Any fucking reality you want. I'm telling you. Nah, it's your boy, YON World, man. I hope this video has reached who it's supposed to reach. And, you know, let's get this video to 100,000 likes, man. I know y'all can do it. I know y'all can do it over the span of time, you know. But I hope everybody out there, you know, manifesting the life y'all want. I hope y'all having this shit. You know what I'm saying? And not just looking like y'all having it. I hope y'all really, like, creating the life y'all want out there, you know. because everything you want already exists on another dimension. You just gotta match your vibration, your frequency, everything gonna connect. Synchronistic events. I'm out. Your boy Yon World. Peace.